Akeso Incorporated is being redefined as the global standard setter of the bispecific era. The core investment logic comparing Akeso to industry titans like Pfizer and Merck, MSD, lies in its successful transformation from a technical follower to a dominant industry leader. While the century-old legacies of Pfizer and Merck were built on their dominance over global gold standard treatments, Akeso is replicating this path to greatness in the second half of the immunotherapy race through its revolutionary bispecific antibody technology. Akeso's crown jewel, ivonescimab, AK112, delivered a direct blow to Merck's king of drugs, Keytruda pembrolizumab, in the head-to-head Phase 3 HARMONi-2 clinical trial. Data revealed that in patients with PD-L1 positive non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, ivonescimab reduced the risk of disease progression or death by a staggering 49%. This nearly twofold breakthrough in efficacy signals Akeso's potential to end the reign of the monoclonal antibody era and usher in a new epoch of bispecific therapy. To rapidly translate this technical superiority into a global commercial footprint, Akeso utilized a high-stakes strategic lever, an epic partnership with Summit Therapeutics to penetrate mainstream Western markets. This deal, valued at up to $5 billion with a $500 million upfront cash payment, set a new valuation benchmark for the global out-licensing of a single innovative drug from China. For Western investors, this collaboration is more than just a capital play, it is a high-level validation of Akeso's proprietary tetrabody bispecific platform. The soaring valuation of Summit in the US stock market is, in essence, a Wall Street premium placed on Akeso's pipeline and its potential to reshape the global oncology landscape. By leveraging this global narrative, Akeso has bypassed the growing pains typical of emerging startups, positioning itself directly in the arena of international pharmaceutical giants. From a long-term investment perspective, Akeso demonstrates a platform-based expansion capability reminiscent of early-stage Pfizer. Its moat does not rely on a single product but on a robust R&D ecosystem capable of consistently producing blockbuster drugs. The company already boasts the world's first approved PD-1/CTLA-4 bispecific, cadonilimab, alongside multiple late-stage pipelines in autoimmune and metabolic diseases. Furthermore, Akeso's manufacturing bases in Zhongshan and Guangzhou, built to international GMP standards, ensure a seamless transition from lab-scale R&D to global commercial supply. This integrated biopharma model, combining R&D, manufacturing, and global licensing, coupled with deep positioning in high-value sectors like oncology, immunology, and cardiovascular health, provides the company with the giant gene to be both counter-cyclical and multidisciplinary. Ultimately, the underlying logic for investing in Akeso is its use of a generational technology gap to challenge and surpass traditional incumbents. As global clinical data continues to materialize, Akeso is steadily marching toward the $100 billion club of top-tier global pharmaceuticals.